Nationals 2023. We've seen a lot of thumped out rides, but what's even better is when we find one of our dealers out here having a blast. Mancuso South Power Sports. What's up, baby?
How you doing, baby girl? Y'all doing all right today? Having a blast?
Having a blast.
That's what I'm talking about.
I want you to tell me everything you have on this thing.
Okay, so first of all, if y'all cannot tell, we do have the beautiful Thumper Fab long travel kit for the brand new Can-Am Defender. We have Zebro shocks, King Cobra level 3 axles, the best in the business. We have steel tie rods, 5/8 times, beautiful. We have the nice and gorgeous Thumper Fab front bumper, integrated light bar, winch relocated to the top. Then over here we have the beautiful Thumper Fab doors. They are a double latching system. They open up a full over 90 degrees. Double latch holds up, nice steps. Man, those things are super hefty. They hold me. I'm a big boy, 270 pounds. They take care of me. I tell you what, right around here to the back, we got the beautiful rear bumper. Now, on this one, we did not do the integrated light bars because we did the audio forms roof. I apologize, guys. That one's already got a light bar, but in the future, we will always put the light bars in the rear bumper. Man, if y'all just look at these dang rear arms, these things are straight, pure beefy, man. Square tubing, man, they're just beautiful. I don't know what to tell y'all. Straight beef. I can't thank Murphy enough for coming out here and actually using this unit for what it is. It's just beautiful. I don't know what to tell y'all, guys. Y'all got to come check it out. Any dealership, I'm sure there's going to be a Thumper Fab product inside that dealer. It's going to be awesome, guys. Y'all come check us out. Thank you so much, Miss Brittany, Miss Sarah. Y'all guys are awesome. They have beautiful products. Man, y'all are just doing great. Y'all continue on, and hey, man, Highlifter Mud Nats 2023, baby. Woo!